So Doogee has finally announced the Doogee Blade GT. This is the best looking rugged phone of 2024. The device has a design similar to that of the Unihertz Luna and the Nothing Phone series. It has the same LED stripes as these devices at the back, but as opposed to the Unihertz Luna and the Nothing Phone 1 or 2, the Doogee Blade GT is a rugged device, which means even though it looks stylish, the device is still designed to be extremely durable. Okay, so it has its durability features intact. Anyway, in this video we'll explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
Ever wished your phone could brave the elements and look stunning while doing it? Enter the Doogee Blade GT. Let's dive into what makes this phone a game changer. First up, the design. At just 10.5 mm thin, the Doogee Blade GT is incredibly slim for a rugged phone. It's got a sleek profile and a cool LED strip on the back, giving it that modern, flashy vibe. Now the display. A 6.72-inch screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Say goodbye to lag and hello to vibrant fluid visuals. Onto the cameras. A 48MP main shooter and a 20MP front camera mean you're always ready to capture life's best moments. Plus, with AI enhancements, your photos will look better than ever. Performance? Check. The MediaTek Dimensity 7055G processor, up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage handle multitasking and games like a breeze. And battery life? The 5500 mAh battery keeps you going all day long, and 18W fast charging means you're back to full power in no time. But here's the kicker. It's built to last. With IP68/IP69K ratings and MIL STD 810H certification, this phone can handle dust, water, and even high-pressure jets. All this rugged beauty for around $300. The Doogee Blade GT, tough, sleek, and powerful. Get ready to upgrade your smartphone game.